We're going to complete the nuclear equations shown below and then label each type of reaction. First of all, a reminder that the arrow shows you a before and after the reaction, and the mass numbers and the atomic numbers have to be equal before and after this reaction occurs. So that means that this number and this top number of whatever this isotope is have to match or be equal to 238. So that means that this mass number must be 234, because 234 plus 4 are going to equal this 238. Likewise, this 2 plus whatever this number is down here must equal 92. So this must be 90, because 90 plus 2 equals our 92. Now we look on the periodic table to determine that number 90 is thorium. And then this is the isotope that we get in this nuclear reaction. This is going to tell us what type of reaction it is. When you see a helium nucleus, that means that an alpha decay has occurred. Here we look at 234 is the mass number of thorium on the left side of the arrow. So 0 plus 234 is going to equal 234 on the right side of the arrow. If I look at my atomic numbers, they need to be an atomic number of 90, so -1 and 91 are going to equal 90, because 91 minus 1 equals this 90. I go look for 91 on the periodic table to see that it is Pa, and that is going to be the symbol of my isotope. This right here is a beta particle when you have the electron, so this is a beta decay. We have 60 on the left-hand side, so 60 plus 0 are going to equal 60 on the right-hand side of the arrow. We have 27 as our atomic number, so 28 minus 1 is going to equal 27 for the atomic number on the right side. And this is the symbol for an electron, which is also known as a beta particle, so this is a beta decay. Here we have 174 on the left side of the arrow, so 170 plus 4 is going to equal 174 on the right side. And then we have 72 on the left, so 70 plus 2 is going to equal this 72 for the right. And then a 4 over 2, if I look at the atomic number 2, this is atomic number 2, that is helium, and so we're going to put He there, and this is an alpha particle, so it's an alpha decay. Finally, this is a fission reaction, because you can see there's a neutron there, and then we actually are breaking apart very large isotopes and more neutrons. So to figure this one out is quite complicated, and you need a calculator. What I'm going to do is on the right side of the arrow, I'm going to add 142 plus 91 plus 3 times 1 is 3, and that gives me 236. So that means that all these top numbers equal 236. So over here, it's going to have to be 235 plus 1 equals 236. Now I'm going to add 36 plus 36 plus 3 times 0 is 0. It gives me 72. So the bottom numbers equal 72, and that means 0 plus 72 is going to equal my 72 on the left side of the arrow. And then on the periodic table, element number 72 is HF, and so I'll put that symbol here. And this is a fission reaction.